Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
Okay, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but your good friend, Sumi Sue, about to do. So today, we got a hair video, and we are working with a Malaysian kinky, and I'm not gonna do much of this because the curls are already there, so I'm just gonna style her up and spruce her up and stuff like that. But first, let me tell you where the hair is from, because you guys know how I do. Okay, this is from Original Queen Hair. She is the Mongolian, why did I say Malaysian? Mongolian kinky curly. She's 26 inches and 180% density. So I'm gonna show you the inside. Standard cap. This one did not come with the elastic band or anything like that, but that's okay because I'm going to be sticking her down. The lace is kind of on the gray side, so I will be tinting her with the spray and all of that stuff. Yeah, all the information for this unit will be in the description box down below, so if you are interested in getting yourself some nice kinky curly hair for the summer, hopefully corona will go away and we can all go outside and stunt and play. But in the meantime, this is a little bit of preparation going on here. I did this makeup on IG Live, so if you guys are not following me on IG Live, you need to be following me on IG Live. Not IG Live, on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, then you miss these type of things, okay? Because that comes through, I do. Okay, so let's go ahead and do today's shout outs. Okay, so on my last video, beautiful Lady D, thank you so much for making it hair first. Letitia Burrows, thank you for making it hair second, basically first. The first 5, okay? I only do the first 5. Denisha Nashay, thank you, baby. And Sexy Lady 26, come on through, Sexy Lady. And last but not least, Odalise Rivera, I hope I'm saying that right. Thank you to all 5 of you for making it to my video first. So yeah, I can't wait to see who's gonna make it here first on my next video. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do this little application here. So the first thing I need to do, now she's already pre-plucked, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not a bad job what they did. Like, it looks pretty good, so I'm not gonna do anything to it. Like, I'm just gonna go in and see what we can achieve without touching any of these wigs. Even though I know everybody pre-plucks and does everything, like, I'm not gonna be doing that today because I'm just gonna be wearing her down. Let's go ahead and style and profile and all of that good stuff. Okay, so off camera, I just went ahead and sprayed the lace. Hopefully you can see that. I just went ahead and sprayed it with my Sea Breeze and foundation in here. I got this tip from one of you guys, so thank you so much for that. That has saved my whole entire situation. So what I'm gonna do now is go in and just cut this off, and we're going to apply her and all of that good stuff. And I don't know about you, but I don't like to cut on my head. I'm gonna cut it right here and deal with it afterwards. Like, okay, I don't like to give myself no form of extra work. Like, doing it like this is just a lot easier, at least for me, you know. And then we're gonna throw her on and do the do. So for the application, I'm not gonna really talk for the application or the styling or anything like that. I'm not gonna really talk. I'm just gonna make the music play, and we're gonna, you know, just do the do, because I feel like I can show you better than I can tell you, you know. I feel like when it comes to hair and explaining certain things, I'm horrible at it. Today I'm not gonna be doing too much. I am just gonna go straight in with my VO5 spray. This also works really well, and because I'm not gonna be wearing this for a long period of time, it's perfect for what I am trying to do. Okay, so let go.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
Could you possibly rewind and come again?
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come.
Okay guys, so that is it for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Very simple, very fun. There's a lot that you can do with this wig, and I just love kinky hair. Like it, you know what I'm saying? It's what fits us the best. It's what looks good. You see what I'm saying? So make sure you check out all the information for this hair. This unit will be linked down below. If there's any coupon codes or anything like that, please check the description box. Everything will be linked down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. I think it was super cool, super fun. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, join the family, come on in. We are a happy bunch. Become a Silver Belle or a Silver Fox, whichever one you want to be. Make sure you're following me on all of my social media platforms. Any social media platform is out there, and if I am on it, the name is Savannah Sylver. Okay, simple as that. All right, be wary of imposters at the same time. All right, so yeah, give the video a thumbs up because it helps YouTube know that you like my stuff. Okay, share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon.
Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.